Module overview. Controlling is the final pillar of the core management functions, alongside planning, organizing, and leading. However, its importance cannot be overstated. It is the feedback and correction mechanism of management. Without effective control systems, an organization may drift off course, waste resources, underperform, or fail to meet objectives. This module explores controlling as a continuous, data-driven, and strategic activity. We will also explore quality management, a discipline within the control function that focuses on ensuring products and services meet defined standards, satisfy customers, and drive continual improvement. Modern businesses rely on control systems not only to enforce accountability, but to enable agility, support strategic goals, and uphold competitive advantage. Understanding controlling in management. Definition. Controlling is the systematic process of measuring performance, comparing it to established standards, and taking corrective action to ensure desired outcomes. It is a cyclical function that allows managers to track progress, identify deviations, implement corrective measures, reinforce accountability and alignment. Objectives of the control function: ensure goal achievement, verifies that organizational activities align with strategic objectives, evaluate performance, assesses individual, team, and departmental contributions, monitor efficiency, prevents waste and misuse of resources, correct deviations, identifies and rectifies variances from standards, facilitate decision-making, provides actionable information to managers, promote discipline and accountability, reinforces responsibility at all levels. The control process. Key steps. 1. Establish performance standards. Define what is to be achieved, quantitative or qualitative. Examples: revenue targets, production quotas, response time, quality benchmarks. 2. Measure actual performance. Use metrics and KPIs to assess progress. Techniques, reports, audits, observations, performance appraisals. 3. Compare performance with standards. Analyze variances, positive or negative. Distinguish between acceptable and unacceptable deviations. 4. Take corrective action. Address root causes of underperformance. Revise strategies, train staff, or reallocate resources. May involve resetting standards if necessary. 5. Feedback and review. Learn from results to improve future planning. Update control systems to adapt to changes. Types of control. 1. Feed-forward control, preventive. Anticipates problems before they occur. Example: pre-employment testing, budgeting, risk assessment. 2. Concurrent control, real-time. Happens during the activity or process. Example: live monitoring, quality checks on assembly lines. 3. Feedback control, post-action. Takes place after the activity has occurred. Example: financial audits, customer surveys, performance reviews. All three are complementary and should be integrated into a robust control system. Areas of control in an organization. In today's lesson, we will be using area, what is controlled, and examples in our table. 1. Financial control. Revenues, costs, assets, cash flow. Budgets, ROI, break-even analysis. 2. Production control. Quantity, quality, efficiency. Output rate, scrap rates, downtime. 3. Marketing control. Campaign results, customer response, conversion rates, brand awareness. 4. HR control. Workforce performance and morale. Absenteeism, turnover, appraisals. 5. Strategic control alignment with mission and strategy. KPI scorecards, market share shifts. Characteristics of effective control systems. Timeliness. Must detect issues early enough to act. Flexibility. Should adapt to environmental changes. Cost effectiveness. Control should not cost more than its benefits. Understandability. Simple and easy to interpret. Strategic alignment, tied to key organizational goals. Modern tools and techniques of control. 1. Key performance indicators, KPIs, quantifiable metrics that track progress toward specific goals. 2. Balanced scorecard, developed by Kaplan and Norton, measures performance across financial, customer, internal processes, learning and innovation. 3. Management by objectives, MBO, goal setting and performance monitoring technique, encourages participation, alignment, and accountability. 4. Audits, internal and external, comprehensive review of financial, operational, or compliance performance. 5. Dashboards and data analytics, real-time visualization of performance metrics for decision-making. Challenges in implementing control resistance from employees, seen as micromanagement or distrust. Inaccurate data leads to poor decision-making. Over-control may stifle creativity and initiative. Lagging indicators, reactive instead of proactive. Cultural misalignment. Control systems must respect local values. Managers must balance control with empowerment. Introduction to quality management. What is quality? Quality is the degree to which a product or service meets or exceeds expectations. Quality management, a structured approach to ensuring consistency, efficiency, safety, and customer satisfaction in products/services. It is deeply tied to continuous improvement and customer focus. Accuracy, must reflect actual performance reliably. Ethical and sustainable strategic planning. Businesses are increasingly expected to integrate ethics and sustainability into strategy, components, social impact, environmental stewardship, transparent governance, diversity and inclusion, long-term societal value. Organizations that plan with conscience and responsibility are more likely to earn trust and survive long-term. Conclusion. Planning and strategic management are not rigid exercises in bureaucracy. They are dynamic disciplines of foresight, alignment, innovation, and execution. Managers must anticipate change, analyze complexity, and make decisions that shape the future. In an age where the only constant is change, adaptive strategic planning is a competitive necessity and a cornerstone of visionary leadership.